Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn English from this channel, you will need to watch every video one by one, because this channel teaches English to the students systematically. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? The auxiliary verbs which express their different meaning connecting with the main verbs are called modal auxiliaries. For example, okay, I am going to write on the whiteboard. Modal auxiliaries. Modal, MODALAUXILIARIES. Modal auxiliaries. The auxiliary verbs which express their different meaning connecting with the main verbs are called modal auxiliaries. For example, dear students, I have already written the definition of modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries, the auxiliary verbs which express their different meaning connecting with the main verbs are called modal auxiliaries. For example, shall, should, may, might, can, could, will, ought, must, ought to, had better, would rather, etc. Dear students, I have already written the definition of modal auxiliaries with their examples. Shall, should, may, might, can, could, will, ought, must, ought to, had better, would rather, etc. Okay, for example, with sentence, we should love our country. Here the word should is a modal auxiliary verb. Okay, he can solve this problem. Here the verb can is a modal auxiliary. Okay, should is a modal auxiliary verb. it has been connected with the main verb love. Okay, and it indicates its meaning. In the second sentence, he can solve this problem. This verb can is connected with the main verb solve, and it is expressing its meaning. What this is on? It is modal auxiliary verb. Another important point, at the end of any modal auxiliaries, we cannot add s or es or ing. Note, we cannot add s, es or ing at the end of modal auxiliaries. Dear students, we cannot add s, es or ing at the end of modal auxiliaries. Okay, this is very important. This is so important. Okay, we cannot add s or es here, since this is third person singular number. He is third person singular number. For this reason, we need to use s or es with the verb. But since it is a modal auxiliary, since the verb can is modal auxiliary, we cannot use s or es here. Okay. So we must write he can solve this problem. We should not write he can solve the problem. We have to write he can solve this problem. Dear students, if you have any question regarding modal auxiliaries, you can ask in the writing box. Okay, if you would like to know more about modal auxiliaries, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.